Been hiking for a couple of hours now, and I think we're coming to the reservoir now, Ladybower. This is what I've been waiting for. Let's have a look. Going to be walking across the bridge just over there. Oh yes. Stunning. Disaster struck. I sent my drone in that plug hole for a bit of a reveal shot, and it crashed against the wall randomly, and I've lost it. And it's 66 feet down, so we're just going to go and try and find the outlet and see if I can walk through the tunnels and then go and get it. Bit of a turn for the worst. Disaster fairly early on this hike and wild camp, but fingers crossed we can get it back. Right, so we've had a scout about, and basically we're just about to go down to the reservoir, pump house and whatnot, knock on and ask for my ball back. I've got no chance. It's gone. Gonna have to admit defeat. It's quite a few quid down a Swanee. I've got to get another one, haven't I, for them drone shots. Anyway, Plughole 1, Sean explores. Dutch courage, thanks to the Ladybower Inn, just behind me here. A couple of pints, decided I'm going on a covert mission. I'm going to go and get my drone back. I'm going down the tunnels and I'm getting it. I'm going in from the drain end. I'm going and getting it. Let's see what happens. It's covert, it's risky, but I love that drone. I love making those shots. So let's have it. So basically, I'm going to try and go down on the recce down there, and where are we? We've got to get in there in that water, through there and up through there. Basically, the tunnel runs all the way underground, right the way across under here to the plug hole, which is there. That drops down about 60 feet straight down on an angle underneath here.
Windmill Point. So we're hoping the views are going to be quite good, even though it's raining still. But
so yeah, covert operation. You see, there's one of them there. That's basically one of those where it dropped in. Just completely lost control. Didn't even lose GPS. It was there. It was flying. It was sound. In fact, I dropped down further than what I wanted to go, and I was on the way up, and it just literally just went right, bang, straight into the wall. It recovered a little bit. It was floating for like a millisecond, then bang, straight into the same wall. So I don't know if there's a motor issue or a blade issue or whatever, but it's gone. So yeah, I'm gonna go and get it back. Let's see what happens. Right, so I'm having to go, just come over the wall here. I'm having to go through all this underbrush, which is like chest high, never been explored before. But I've got to get that drone back. Don't really see what other choice I've got. And it's quite steep as well. But anyway, this is mad, mate. Right, just gonna have a quick recce underneath this tree. Basically, I've got to get down to this hedge line here. Got to get down to that tree line there, through all this brush, leg it through the tunnel and get the drone.
If you want to see how a man rescues his drone from Ladybower Reservoir, then stay tuned.
Right, down in the tunnel, going up. Fucking hell, mate, it's pitch black in here. It's scary, like. I'm not even messing, mate. Shit. Put the camera on this. This is well scary. Right, this is the tunnel, mate. This is it. We might have it. Oh god, yes. Please be here. Loads of balls and rocks and stuff. Right, where's my drone? There it is. There's the drone, mate. He's got it. Yes! Get in. Doesn't look too bad. Looks all good to me. Right, let's get the out of here. Shit, the battery tray. Okay, it's fixed. Right, mate. Look at that. Gotta go, mate, gotta go. Shit. Right, I'm going back up there.
He's got it. Spot on.
Bye.